Descriptive Writing. Today we're diving deep into the art of painting pictures with words. Ready to boost your writing skills? Let's get started. First, what exactly is descriptive writing? It's all about using your words to create vivid images in the reader's mind. Think of it as being an artist, but instead of a brush and paint, you have a pen and paper. Sounds cool, right? Now let's talk about the power of the five senses. When you describe something, don't just say what it looks like. Go further. Mention how it smells, sounds, feels, and even tastes. For example, instead of writing, "The cake was delicious," you could say, "The warm chocolate cake melted in my mouth, releasing a rich, velvety flavor that lingered on my taste buds." See the difference? Another key element is using strong, vivid adjectives and adverbs. Don't just settle for "the night was dark." Try something like, "The night was pitch black, with shadows creeping around every corner." Your goal is to make your reader feel like they are right there with you. Metaphors and similes are your best friends in descriptive writing. Saying her smile was like sunshine instantly gives a warm, bright image, doesn't it? It's these little touches that bring your writing to life. Now let's practice. Take a moment to picture your favorite place. Got it? Now describe it using all five senses. Think about the colors, sounds, smells, and textures. Write it down and see how your words transform the scene into a vivid picture. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you write, the better you get. So keep experimenting with different descriptions and don't be afraid to get creative. All right, it's time to wrap up. Here's a quick format to help you get started with descriptive writing. Start with a strong opening sentence to set the scene. Use the five senses to expand your description. Sprinkle in some vivid adjectives, adverbs, metaphors, and similes. And finally, end with a sentence that leaves a lasting impression. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome writing tips. Keep writing, keep exploring, and most importantly, have fun. See you next time. Hey there, future wordsmiths. We've just explored the magic of descriptive writing and how to paint vivid pictures with words. But guess what? The journey doesn't stop there. As you practice and hone your skills, you'll notice a wonderful transformation, not just in your writing, but in how you see the world. Imagine a group of blooming kids, each with a unique story to tell. With descriptive writing, you can capture the essence of their laughter, the sparkle in their eyes, and the boundless energy they bring to life. Think about a child's first day at school, the nervous excitement in their steps, the crisp new backpacks slung over their shoulders, and the curious eyes absorbing every detail of their new surroundings. Let's take a moment to describe this scene using the techniques we've learned. Picture the bright morning sun casting a golden glow on the schoolyard. You hear the chirping of birds mingling with the cheerful chatter of children. The air is filled with the fresh scent of newly cut grass and the faint aroma of blooming flowers. As the kids run around, their laughter echoes like a melody, and you can almost feel the warmth of their joy. It's these little details that make a story unforgettable. So as you write, think about the blooming kids in your own life. Capture their moments, their dreams, and their adventures with your words. Your writing has the power to bring their world to life for others to see and feel. Remember, every great writer started just like you, with a passion for storytelling and a desire to share their unique perspective. So keep practicing, keep exploring, and let your words bloom. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome writing tips. Keep writing, keep exploring, and most importantly, have fun. See you next time. Welcome back, future wordsmiths. Now that we've seen the power of descriptive writing in capturing life's beautiful moments, it's time to equip you with some essential tools to make your words truly come alive. Think of this as your personal toolkit for creating vivid, memorable scenes. First, let's talk about the senses. Great descriptive writing engages all five senses: sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch. Imagine describing a bustling marketplace. Don't just focus on what it looks like. Bring in the cacophony of voices, the aroma of fresh spices, the taste of a sweet treat, the feel of a textured fabric, and the vibrant colors all around. Next, let's dive into figurative language. Similes, metaphors, and personification can add layers of meaning and emotion to your writing. For instance, instead of saying the child was happy, you might say the child's smile was as bright as the morning sun. This not only tells us about the child's happiness, but also paints a vivid picture in the reader's mind. And don't forget about the power of specific details. General statements are fine, but it's the specific details that make your writing stand out. Instead of saying a bird, describe a small robin with a crimson chest hopping from branch to branch. Lastly, let's talk about practice. Like any skill, descriptive writing gets better with practice. Keep a journal, write short stories, or even practice by describing everyday scenes around you. The more you write, the more you'll discover your unique voice and style. So, future wordsmiths, grab your toolkit and start painting with words. Your stories have the power to transport readers to new worlds, evoke deep emotions, and create lasting impressions. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more writing inspiration. Keep writing, keep exploring, and let your words create magic. See you next time, and keep watching Blooming Kids.